The importance of a calm sleep environment.
A restful bedroom reduces stress and improves sleep quality. Your mind and body need a safe, peaceful space to fully relax at night. Creating a calm sleep environment signals to your brain that it's time to wind down, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Intentional changes to your space can turn bedtime into a soothing, restorative ritual.
Declutter and simplify your space.
A cluttered room can contribute to anxious thoughts and restlessness. Remove unnecessary items from your bedroom and keep surfaces clear. Store away clothes, papers, and electronics that don't belong. Embrace a minimalist approach to decorations. A tidy space reduces distractions, making it easier to focus on rest and calmness.
Choose soothing colors and soft lighting.
Color and lighting affect your mood and relaxation. Opt for calming, cool tones like soft blues, greens, or gentle earth shades. Use warm, dimmable lights or bedside lamps instead of harsh overhead bulbs. Consider blackout curtains to block external light. Gentle, adjustable lighting helps your mind transition from wakefulness to restful sleep.
Minimize noise and technology distractions.
Ambient noise and electronic devices can disrupt your sleep. If outside sounds are unavoidable, use earplugs, a fan, or white noise machine. Avoid screens, phones, TVs, or tablets in your bedroom, as blue light and notifications can interfere with falling asleep. Establish your room as a device-free sanctuary to support deep, restorative rest.
Incorporate calming scents and comfort.
Soothing scents and cozy bedding promote relaxation. Use essential oils like lavender or chamomile in a diffuser, but keep ventilation in mind. Layer your bed with soft, breathable sheets and comfortable pillows. Establishing a calming nighttime routine, like reading or light stretching, can further enhance your sleep sanctuary and help you drift off peacefully.